Dude, what is that? What is that, bro? Oh, there's a dog in there. Bro, we gotta save the dog. Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. This time we're at an abandoned water park, kind of like pretty close to where we live actually, and I'm with Dave this time. We've been getting a ton of rain lately, so like all these are actually kind of filled up. There's like a big white dog. It's staring right here, bro. Bro, it's right back there in the middle, you see it, guys? Alright, let's go f***ing meet that dog and see what happens. That is not the husky. Bro, don't let it come over here. Uh-oh. Bro, you invited them over. Oh my god, bro, this is sketchy. Dude, what's in the water over there? Dude, what is that? Oh, there's a dog in there. Trevor, you want me to get him? No way. Oh, baby. They're like, are you okay? Holy shit, bro. No way. Yeah, let me just talk about that. There was a f***ing dog drowning that we just saved. I know. I like this one. This one's all happy. He's like, you saved my friend. Look, he's okay. I'm so happy actually. Holy shit. Bro, I'm like shaking a little bit. The dogs kept like running around over here like something was wrong almost. I cannot believe that happened. We like barely saved that dog. If we didn't come here to film today, to like come explore this place, that dog honestly would have drowned. It barely had any strength left. It was like barely sticking above the water. Did you see that?
Yeah, that dog was like he's barely gonna make it.
Dude, I'm actually shook from that.